Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now.
Here specifically, guys, if we come right here, okay, you're going to see that's a 2016 F-150 that we'll demonstrate on. You have two fuse boxes, but we'll need the fuse box that's located under the hood. Once you open your hood, that's your car battery. Next to the car battery on the back side, you will have that fuse box here. And once you open that fuse box, guys, okay, once you open it, you're going to see the fuse layout being just like that. This one will be the front of your truck, this one will be towards the windshield side. Let's explain quick why it's important to test fuses and relays now.
So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out.
So you can see how you have different kinds of fuses and relays. If you're stuck in a small town or something and you need one, it can be really hard to find sometimes, or they can be really expensive. I recommend to keep some in the glove box on your F-150. We'll put a link in the description of the video below, guys, where you can buy spare fuses and relays at a really good price. So the fuse that we need to check will be in that fuse box right here, and the fuse for the driver power seat will be in that middle row, the very first fuse on the bottom right here, guys. Check that fuse.
Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.